So in this Canva video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the background of any photo in Canva. So this can be photos that you upload. This can be photos that you just use within Canva, whatever the case may be. I'm going to use one of each. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to grab a photo of a dog. Let's grab a photo of a dog that I can remove the background of. How about this, this good little fella right here? I'll just make it a little bit smaller, and then I'll grab a photo that I uploaded previously from one of my other YouTube video thumbnails of a baseball player. Let's get it of this one right here. So I have a photo of Francisco Lindor, who's a baseball player, and I have a photo of a dog that I got courtesy of Canva. So I'm going to be using the exact same tool here to remove the background of both images. So pretty simple. I'm going to be using the background remover tool that's built into here with Canva. So this is a part of Canva Pro. So if you don't have Canva Pro, you're going to have to go through a free way of doing this, but that's pretty simple to do as well. But regardless, just press on the photo, go to where it says edit image in the top left corner. Then I want you to press on background remover right here. It'll take a couple seconds. To just identify the background that it's removing. I'm going to be actually doing the exact same thing to Francisco Lindor after, just to prove that it works with both photos you get through Canva or photos that you upload through the internet, or just actually photos of your own. So this tool is super helpful in regards to removing backgrounds if you deal with, just outlines and stuff like that. You want a simple alternative to Photoshop. There you go. I have the dog right there. I'm going to be doing the exact same thing to this photo right here, just removing the background of any image you want. Some backgrounds are going to be a lot easier to remove than others. That's just based on how complex the photo is, but for these two photos, pretty self-explanatory. And there you go. So now once that is done, you can make these bigger or smaller. It doesn't really matter. So there's the dog right there. I will make this photo a lot bigger as well. And there you go. I have successfully removed the background of both of these images. Now, if you want to restore the image, pretty simple, just press on the image that you removed the background of. You can either go restore to original if you want to restore to the original, which I will do right now. Same thing here. And like I said before, if you want to go back, just press background remover. So that is how you remove the background of any photo you want using Canva. Hopefully this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.